guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are doing another dupes video. I do dupes videos all April long because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April dupes, how cute. If you are unfamiliar with what a dupe is, it is essentially taking a high-end product and putting it against a low-end product, low-end drugstore. They're not low-end, they're just more cost-effective for some people, and seeing how they compare to each other in terms of brand, price, packaging, wear, all that jazz, sometimes ingredients, because there are times when the drugstore product is the exact same as the high-end product. A lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. I personally like a good dupe because I think it's good to know what's on the market, but also people sometimes need alternatives for brand reasons, ingredient reasons, application and wear reasons. I think it's just good to know what is out there. Oh, sometimes money reasons. So I think it's just good to know what's out there and what's available. I have purchased all of these products on my own. Let's get into it. Today's dupe, we are doing setting sprays. We are facing off the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray against the e.l.f. Cosmetics Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Let's talk a little bit about these products. First, we'll do the Urban Decay. This is the 1 ounce bottle. They have a couple sizes, a lot of sizes. So there's a lot of different versions of the all-nighter now. There's a matte version, a dewy version, this version. As far as I'm aware, this version of the all-nighter long-lasting setting spray is like the OG one. This 1 ounce bottle is $15. They also have a 4 ounce bottle that is $33. My budget required the $15 one. It is vegan and cruelty free. You can find it at Ulta, Sephora, Urban Decay online. I think they also might make like an even smaller version for like travel size or like your purse. We will talk a little bit more about what the box says about it when we apply it. The e.l.f. Cosmetics Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. This bottle is 2.7 fluid ounces. It is $10. You can find it at e.l.f. Beauty or elfcosmetics.com. Wherever e.l.f. is sold, you will probably be able to find this, like Target, Walmart, places like that, as well as online at like Target and Walmart. It is also cruelty-free and vegan. These both claim that they have 16-hour wear. Please note that on the website, it said that for the e.l.f. Cosmetics one, due to the formula, the mister might clog. If that happens, run it under hot water. It does have a mixing ball in there, so it helps to like mix up the formula and situations like that. Just to let you know. I have done my makeup prior to this video. I have not put any eyeliner or mascara on yet because oftentimes when I use setting spray and I mist it on my face whenever I have mascara and eyeliner on, the mascara will like smudge and I don't want that to happen. So I just have done my face and we're going to spray pre-mascara and lashes and situations like that. We're going to use these side by side to each other to the best of our abilities. I also have brought down a face mask for me to spray the inside of my face mask because I do have to run out to the store later on today. So we're going to do one side and one spray, the other side and the other spray, because I have heard that that helps to deter makeup rubbing off on your mask. I've never tried it. To be honest, it has been quite some time since I've used setting spray. When I do my makeup for the past year during the pandemic, I really haven't used setting spray because I haven't been going anywhere or wearing it for a very long time. So I've kind of just been like skipping the setting spray step, which my under eyes definitely show that. So we're going to do Urban Decay on this side, e.l.f. Cosmetics on this side. And how we're going to do this, I have done sprays before for dupes, and how we're going to do this is we're just going to put a paper towel up on my face to try to minimize cross-contamination of sprays. Sorry, I was looking for a thing. So It generally works out just fine, generally. So we're going to start with the e.l.f. Cosmetics. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Let me tell you a little bit about it, as I have struggled to use it. Lock your look down from AM to PM with this lightweight makeup setting spray suited for all skin types, infused with green tea, cucumber, and aloe, known to nourish skin and keep makeup looking fresh as though you just applied it. Touch-ups are now a thing of the past. Directions: for best results, use e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer, followed by Flawless Satin Foundation. Shake bottle well before each use. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from face, close eyes, pump 2 to 4 times in a Z formation. Right off the bat, that was the most fine pump mist I have ever used as a setting spray. My all-time favorite setting spray, and I have not repurchased it because I'm trying to do like a no-buy. I'm trying to use up what I have first before I make new purchases, sans this series, is the continuous spray, like continuous setting spray mist from Morphe. It's like an aerosol, but not an aerosol, and it just goes on so nice. You do not get that effect from a pump bottle. This was the most fine mist I have ever felt from a pump bottle. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Alright, I don't know how you do it, e.l.f., but that was amazing. This is my first time using this as well. I've never used the e.l.f. Microfine Setting Mist. I have used the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray long time ago. But yeah, great mist. Has a nice light fragrance. Now we're going to move over to the Urban Decay side. Let me tell you a little bit about it as I'm putting it on. It says, stop makeup meltdown from this groundbreaking tested formula. All-nighter mists on weightlessly to keep your makeup looking gorgeously, just applied for up to 16 hours without melting, cracking, fading, or settling into fine lines. The result? Smoother looking skin and vibrant makeup that lasts all day for all skin types. Directions: after applying makeup, shake bottle well, hold 8 to 10 inches away, and mist 2 to 4 times in an X and T formation. Okay, so right off the bat, the Urban Decay formula had a much wetter spray. It kind of was like more of a spritz than like a mist, whereas the e.l.f. Microfine Setting Mist was like a fine micro mist. The cap is having a hard time staying on. I don't know if that concerns anybody on the e.l.f. one. Also, the all-nighter setting spray does have a scent, and it's a very unique scent. Something I'm very familiar with, but yeah, it smells like all-nighter setting spray, and I would be able to pick it out from like a scent lineup any day of the week. They both did a very good job of like moistening up my face. It feels like my face has some stability to it. You know, like when you use setting spray and your face kind of feels like set. I don't know how to describe it. I'm going to take my mask. I'm going to apply. I'm going to put my paper towel on the one half. I know this is probably not the most effective way of doing this, but it's my way. And I'm going to spray the one side with the Microfine Mist. Fan it off. Then cover up this side. We'll spray the other side with the Urban Decay. That is a juicy sprayer. And I'm going to set that aside for when I go to the store later on. I'm going to go off camera and finish my eyes so that we can come back for some initial thoughts. Then I will come back after I've worn my face all day, mask and all, to kind of report on how each of them actually worked. So let me finish my eyes and we'll be back for some initial thoughts. Okay, liner, lashes applied. Some initial thoughts about the all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay against the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist from e.l.f. Cosmetics. One, I adore and love the mister in the e.l.f. Cosmetics one so much more than any other mister out there on the market. Say, like, if it isn't a continuous setting spray. Like, if it's a pump bottle, this one takes the cake, bar none, whether it's a dupe or not. Two, they both have a little bit of a scent. I think I prefer the e.l.f. Cosmetics scent a little bit better. That's just like a preference thing. They both say they have 16-hour wear, so I will be interested to come back at the end of the day to kind of like show you guys the wear and tear, especially with wearing the mask and spraying the mask and things like that. I know that the all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray holds up. I have worn this in like 95-degree heat. I have worn this in frigid cold. I have worn this through many tribulations and trials with makeup, and it has always done its job and hold up. So I know and have high hopes for the Urban Decay setting spray. This is more to see about the Stay All Night, how it compares to the Urban Decay, as well as if it does do what it claims it does. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys at the end of the day. What time is it now? It's 12:37, 12:38, so I will, it's not going to be a full 16 hours, obviously, but I'll probably come back around, hopefully 5:30, to see what we're left with, and if I had to like refresh or touch up. I don't know if I'll have my lashes on then, we will see, but I will check back with you in a few hours. Okay guys, so I am checking back in towards the end of the day. It is 5:43, so what, a little over 5-ish hours I've been wearing this makeup. We're, again, just to remind you all, we're doing the setting spray test. My mask got makeup all in it. I don't even know if you can see that because everything's so bright right now. Both sides of my mask just did not perform well. I got makeup all in that. However, my actual face, I feel like you can't really tell. I haven't touched up my face at all except for my lip gloss. I put some more of my Ride or Die e.l.f. lip balm on. But other than that, nothing. I had a little bit of mascara smudging underneath my eye on the Urban Decay side. And I have a little bit of my foundation breaking up where the mask was because, as you saw, or maybe saw, it did not do so hot. However, my forehead, eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and like underneath my eyes, like the tops of my cheeks, are all still doing relatively well on both sides. This was not like the most amazing makeup that I've ever done in my whole entire life, but yeah, little bit of mascara on both sides, but I'm gonna say mainly on the Urban Decay side. Both performed very, very well, so I'm going to say that these are a good dupe for each other, but honestly, overall, I'm just impressed at how e.l.f. Cosmetics, they got such a fine mister. Like, oh, I'm gonna repurpose this mister for everything because it is so micro fine and refreshing, whereas the Urban Decay and most of my other setting sprays are like so wet. It's so difficult to have them dry down, and that's why I get so much transfer from my mascara onto my like cheeks and underneath my eyes. I will list all of the products that I use down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time if you are interested in them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about this duo or this dupe down in the comment section below. Have you used the Stay All Night setting spray from e.l.f.? Have you used the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray? Do you have other recommendations for dupes? Let me know all of that down in the comment section below. I love a good recommendation. Let's start a conversation. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.